the strings.
What you got?
Hop in it. So she don't really know how to operate it yet.
Close the door. Alright, now push the foot on the pedal.
Oh yeah, good job.
Do it again. Yay!
Alright, yeah, now hop out. Run around it, close the door.
You're gonna miss it. Right?
No, that one is locked.
Looks like it, right?
Alright, run around it, baby.
Woohoo!
Go for a rip. Hey, what are you zoned on? What are you zoned on?
Yay! Okay, go back in. Get inside. Get in your fire truck.
Hop in it. Yeah, close the door. Oh yeah.
Don't roll.
Close that door. You crazy, baby. Close the door. Go ahead.
Again.
Give it a rip. Hit that throttle. Hit that throttle. Go ahead. Oh yeah, you're done. So this is baby Carson's little 6-volt fire truck. She is really stoked on this thing. Last night, this is what my mom got her for Christmas, and she basically all night she just hopped in and out of it, in and out of it. So she's technically, I think this is for ages what? How many ages?
2 and up, 3 and up.
2 and up or something, and she's like 18 months. So she doesn't really get the concept of it yet, but she loves getting in and out of it.
Careful.
She's already rowdy with it. She took the seat off it last night and was inspecting all the wires and the battery and everything, and just making sure it's just good to go.
I'm gonna push it.
Yeah, go ahead and push it. Push it.
Good job. Okay, hop in.
Alright,
push-
go for a rip.
Push the button. Put your foot on the pedal.
I wish there was like is it like stuck in the air? Take it for a rip, honey. And she loves freaking getting in and out of this thing. It's hilarious. And then I guess my Christmas present. You guys seen a little? Yeah, Jamie bought me this freaking I still can't get the damn thing started today. I got it fired a little bit. I sprayed some carbon choke on the filter, but she's still not super stoked on starting. I pretty much am determined that it's this freaking fuel in here. I don't know how old it is, how gross it is. I wish I would have looked at this before, but it kind of looks like murky. It kind of looks like watery anyhow. I mean, obviously there has to be a little bit of water in there anyhow in order for it to look like that. So I'm going to probably drain the fuel out of it, throw new fuel in it, and then maybe just blast out the carburetor real quick. Alright guys, so make sure she's recording. So I just think it's funny that all the other YouTubers, and not all of them, some of them, other YouTubers, buying Lamborghinis, Ferraris, and a bunch of expensive things. And I bought myself a $400 frickin' 1985 ATC 350x. I don't know, you can't pass things like this up. So obviously gas tank has some rusty stuff in it. I'm gonna go ahead and pull off the carbonator real quick. Carbonator. I joke around with that sometimes, but I would like to get this thing to run, be able to ride it around a little bit. So I'm gonna pull off this stuff real quick, see if I can just blast out the carb and throw some fresh fuel in it, and hopefully I can get it running real quick. And then I don't know. I don't really know the purpose of this thing. I just thought it was cool. I guess I could just ride it around the shop and sell it, and I could probably make some coin too if I want. So as you guys know, this thing doesn't run, but I'll show you that it doesn't run again because it's always fun. Choked. You know what we could do for fun is we put some starting. It's just sad that you guys haven't even seen this thing run yet. Like I've seen it run. I rode it down the street. When I bought it, it ran. She'll run. She'll freaking run. But she runs. She freaking runs. So I'm gonna pull off this tank, drain this freaking fuel, and see what she does.
Okay.
So we are back at the shop. I left last night. I basically wanted to get some new fuel line, a little fuel filter, and a new spark plug for it in order to, you know, kind of not like go back in time as far as all the stuff that we actually did. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this fuel line. The tank is all drained. I went ahead and hooked up the carburetor back onto the bike. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull off this factory fuel line, get a put that fuel filter in line, and then hook everything back up to the tank, and then hopefully be able to start this thing up and ride it around. Alright guys, so I went ahead, got the fuel filter installed, tank is on, and I already hit the clutch, or I already hit the choke, and I kicked it a bunch of times and didn't start. So I went ahead, gave her a little spritz, got her fired up, turned the choke off, everything seems to run pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this back seat cowl back on it and fire it up for you guys. Show you guys how good it runs. Now at least, put this airbox cover on it. I'm ready to go for a freaking ride on this thing. Even though it's freaking cold as shit outside. start to me. There we are. Freaking Honda. You got the freaking headlights. Taillights. Oh yeah, she's ready for a freaking rip. I do need to air up this tire because since they're big and balloony, it it wants to drive sideways. So I need to make sure the tires are the same. And then move some things and go for a rip. Alright, the moment you guys have all been waiting for. Take this guy for a rip. Now you can do a donut in here? Woo, it's really cold. So shiz, boys. That's my 1985 Honda ATC 350x. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know a lot of you guys are asking why I bought one. And I don't know, it was on the side of the road and it was cheap and I was just like, yeah, I missed my other one, and now I kind of see why. They're a lot of fun, they're kind of dangerous, they're kind of wonky and weird. So, as you can see, riding them you have to be really aggressive and you have to not be pretty much scared, and you kind of, like, in order to get them to do anything, you have to, you know, kind of ride up on the seat and then just like hang off of it to get them to do what you want to do. So, I guess, I don't know, it's going to be sitting around the shop for a little while. I'll probably ride it around here and there. I might sell it, I might keep it. I think it's freaking cool though. I think it's freaking cool. So, anyhow, appreciate you guys watching. We're gonna hop on the Civic tomorrow, and hopefully we'll get a lot of stuff done with it. And yeah, I ordered some parts for it. I'm glad I didn't have to order a lot of parts for this thing. It was pretty much just really simple stuff. So, see you guys later.